Create a template for your prescription workflow. Add a description for your template and indicate a redirect URL. Upload the prescription form to the template. The document type is PDF. As a result, we retrieved the ID of the document along with an array of fields. Retrieve the ID of the default step. Rename the default step to Physician. Create a new step, Pharmacist. We have two steps now. Assign fields to the pharmacist. You need a step ID and field ID. Configure the workflow in your airSlate account. Add email addresses of the physician and pharmacist. Set up the jump to step conditions. Install the Prefill via API bot if you need to prefill documents in a flow. Retrieve the ID of the unpublished template version. Publish the template version with adjusted settings. Create a flow based on the template. Indicate the document IDs in the request body. To populate fields with data, indicate the field name and value. Once the flow has been created, the physician receives the populated prescription form for completion. The form then goes to the pharmacist. The pharmacist doesn't sign the form, and it jumps back to the physician. The physician makes changes and sends the form to the pharmacist again.